3 common bad money habits that hold people back and how to break free from them, coming from a qualified accountant and a former investment banker.
Back to basics today, and we're breaking down 3 bad financial habits that hold us all back when it comes to money. You see, nothing is more fundamental than personal finance. Before we even think about investing or financial freedom, it all starts with managing our personal finances. And unfortunately, this is where we tend to mess things up. If we think of our financial future as the top of a big, beautiful skyscraper, our everyday financial habits are the foundation. Without solid foundation, you cannot build a skyscraper. So in today's video, we're breaking down the 3 bad money habits we all have that hold us back, how we can break free from them right away, and of course, how all of this can ultimately lead us to financial freedom. And since we can all feel the cost of living constantly rising, now is the time to act. Because the very same forces that make life increasingly expensive are also the ones that make money work harder. So our job is simply to put money work for us, i.e. to invest it. And we can all start by opening an investment account with Freedom24, which is today's video sponsor. We can simply head over to the description below, click the link, enter our phone number and take it from there. Just like that, we've completed the first step of the sign-up process. Oh, and there's a bonus gift if we use the link in the description. Don't miss out. I personally use Freedom24 for my own investments, which now exceed $500,000, because Freedom24 complies with the highest security standards in Europe, with European regulatory body and offices across Europe, provides a platform perfectly suited for everyday people who want to build their financial future, and delivers round-the-clock updates on every development that affects us and our money, directly inside the app with real-time notifications. And let's not forget Freedom24's current promo offer, which gives us up to 20 free stocks, with each stock worth up to $800. For more details on the offer, check the video description. So we can all begin by opening an investment account with Freedom24 and kickstart our wealth journey, always through the link in the description. Moreover, don't forget to drop a like and leave a comment below. It really helps out with the YouTube algorithm. And of course, if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit that little notification bell so you get updated every time I drop a brand new video. And as always, let's hear it from a daily disclaimer. I am not a financial advisor or legal expert. All opinions expressed in this video and on this channel in general are exactly that, just my opinions. And they are intended for entertainment purposes only. Please do not take financial or legal advice from a random guy on the internet. Always do your own research.
Number 1, paying yourself last. Most people pay for their social plans, their dinners out, their holidays, their iPhone upgrades, and then save what's left. Instead, pay yourself first.
We're off to an amazing start. First bad habit, we pay ourselves last. Now, what do we mean when we say pay ourselves last? We mean that as soon as we get our paycheck, we start paying everyone else except ourselves. We pay rent, utilities, groceries, bills, coffee, movies, vacations, everything. And if there's anything left over, that, let's be real, there never is, then maybe we'll set it aside. Guys, this mindset is the #1 reason most people never build a financial future. We treat it like something optional, like something we'll do if and when there's money left over. No, if we don't create a surplus every month, we'll never be able to escape our financial dead end. The good news though is that once we realize this, we've already taken the first and most important step. Because as weird as it may sound, actually spending less than we earn every month is 90% of the effort. 90% of all the hard work. Seriously, 90% of the heavy lifting is making sure we have something left over every single month. So the solution is to completely flip the script on paying ourselves last. As soon as we get paid, the first thing we do is take a portion of it and invest it for our future selves. And then we live on whatever's left. This way we make sure we always pay our future selves first and then take care of our present selves.
Hold on, Chris. If we do that, then we won't have enough to pay our bills.
That's exactly my point. If we can't afford to invest, then we are in big trouble. If we're not investing for our future, we're actually stealing from our own future. So if our salary isn't enough to invest and cover our current expenses, then we need to take drastic action. Ask for a raise at work. Switch jobs to go after a higher salary, or just pick up a second job. This way we will create a surplus every month and we will finally be able to pay ourselves first. And to make sure we actually pay ourselves first every single month, we're going to automate the whole process. And the steps are simple. Once we open our investment account on Freedom24, through the link in the description of course, to claim the bonus, we set up a recurring bank transfer so that every month the same amount comes out of our bank account and goes straight into our investment account. The best part, we only need to set this up once. Every bank has a recurring transfer option, so the first time we go in to make the transfer towards our investment account, we simply select for our transaction to repeat every month. And that's it. Pro tip, we schedule the transfer to repeat one day after our payday. So if we get paid on the first of every month, we schedule the recurring transfer for the second. This way we make sure we won't blow through our money before paying ourselves first. I don't know about you guys, but for me personally, this is by far the best approach for getting my finances in order. Not only because it's incredibly effective, but also because it requires zero extra effort in the long run. We set it up once and we forget about it. Now that we understand why we need to pay ourselves first and how we can practically do it, let's talk about what we can do with the rest of our paycheck.
Number 2, not knowing your income and expenses. Those who know how much they make and spend are far more likely to gain wealth than those who just fantasize about money and have no clue about where they stand.
Nailed it. Guys, we cannot improve our finances if we don't know where our money is spent. This is simple math that unfortunately very few people actually follow. But luckily for us, there's a solution. And this solution is none other than sitting down with a pen and paper or an Excel spreadsheet and organizing our income and expenses. At first, it might feel a bit odd, but after a while it becomes an easy habit. And the best way to build this habit is to set up a specific financial plan, to start budgeting. Not as some strict, exhausting routine that sucks the joy out of life, but as a roadmap that guides us towards a better financial future. When saving becomes a priority and not a chore, it stops feeling like a sacrifice and starts working in our favor.
And how can we actually do this, Chris? And how can we actually do this?
Simple. When it comes to managing our personal finances, we can use the 50-30-20 rule. In a nutshell, this rule says that 50% of our income should go toward our needs, rent, bills, groceries, etc., 30% toward our wants, entertaining, shopping, travel, and 20% toward our future, saving and investing. 50-30-20, a clear-cut compass for getting our finances in order. And once again, in my opinion, the correct order of this rule is 20-50-30. First, we take 20% of our income and invest it for our future selves, then we allocate 50% for our needs, and finally we spend 30% on our wants. And guys, if we actually put these two habits into practice, paying ourselves first and knowing where our money ends up, we'll already be way ahead. But if we want to take our finances to the next level, then we need to watch out for one last thing: taxes.
Number 3, taxes. This is going to be the single biggest expense of your life. And the best thing you can do to get ahead is to understand basic tax rules and use them to legally work in your favor.
Taxation, a topic we barely talk about, but it has a massive impact on our net income. Generally speaking, an individual's active income, usually salary, is taxed higher than any other type of income. And especially right here in Europe, the tax situation isn't exactly great. No matter how much we earn from our jobs, a big chunk goes to taxes and contributions. Now, if we are salaried employees, the truth is that there isn't much we can do about it. On the other hand, if we are self-employed, we can legally reduce our taxable income. And to do this, we need to stay in constant communication with our accountant. Now, we know that two things tend to happen. The first is that some self-employed individuals consider working under the table as a solution. I've called this out publicly countless times, and I think it's unacceptable. Beyond being completely illegal, it's also clearly antisocial behavior toward our fellow citizens. Not cool. But there's also a second route, which is legal and can significantly reduce our taxable income. In many cases, we can set up a partnership or even a private company that have preferential tax treatment, much lower corporate tax rate. And then we can pay ourselves through dividends, which are often taxed at a fraction of what our salary would be. Of course, every situation is different and we'll need to talk to our accountant. So the game isn't just about earning an extra 100 euros, it's about how much of this 100 euros we'll actually keep. Now, we also can't forget our passive passive income, the income from our investments. And here, guys, things look completely different, because when it comes to investment income, it usually comes with favorable tax frameworks. Yes, you heard that right. Most European countries genuinely offer very favorable tax frameworks for investment income. So what's left for us to do is to get started. And when it comes to where and how we can invest, many long-term investors, including myself, invest in the US market every single month, regardless of whether the markets are up or down. Because of the last 150 years, the US market has done this. Despite its ups and downs in between, the total US market has moved upwards in the long run, generating great profits for investors. Now, yes, past performance does not guarantee future results, and when investing, nothing is certain. At the same time, though, if we don't do anything with our money, it will lose value due to inflation. This is why, in my opinion, investing is not optional. So if we want to start investing in the US market as well, then we can simply invest in an ETF like VUAA, in which I've personally invested over 250,000 euros. VUAA tracks the S&P 500, meaning the 500 biggest US companies, automatically reinvests its dividends so it grows even faster, and is UCITS, meaning it is EU compliant. And of course, VUAA is available on Freedom24, which is today's video sponsor. Now, for those of you who want to see step by step exactly how we can invest in VUAA, the process is quite simple. We sign up to Freedom24 using the link in the description. We go to the web terminal, we type VUAA, we hit buy, and we got it. So we can simply head over to the description below, click the link, enter our phone number, and take it from there. Just like that, we've completed the first step to the sign up process. And as we mentioned, there's a bonus gift if we use the link in the description. And let's not forget Freedom24's current promo offer, which gives us up to 20 free stocks, with each stock worth up to $800. For more details on the offer, check the video description. So we can all begin by opening an investment account with Freedom24 and kickstart our wealth journey, always through the link in the description. And as always, if you want to get my take on the markets every morning directly in your inbox, make sure to subscribe to my newsletter through the link in the description. This is market analysis that never makes it onto YouTube, so yes, do subscribe to my newsletter. It's free. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I really hope it helped you out, and I'll see you in the next one.